Welcome you to part 2 of the Erling Haaland challenge, and I have learned from somewhere that there are barbarian kickers at the new limited time trips. So let's see if whether they are here or not. Yes, they are here right below the barbarian. Free kick target closes defenses cost 2 to 4-7 damage. That's nice. OP is and let's see the description. Starts the match with a calm, careful and short text message the nearest defense. That goes on the usual barbarian rampage. Okay, so let's start again with the challenge. Part 2, kicker kickoff. I have learned to use them from a video. So let's start. It's move on. Striker shot gone. Let's do the builder shot. Now the missile cover, I guess. Inferno as well. These are too much OP for this game of these days. Now the mortar. Let's take the other buildings as well. Let's go here. Okay. It's now gone. All defenses. Yes. Barbarian had gone as well. Return home. Okay, so claim its things. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to give me motivation to make more such videos. Till the next part, bye.